Hello friends, in this video I explain question of our database questionnaire. This is my 21 question. So first I open my ADXSQL. Now we see our first question. What is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? So this is the first question query. In here we get details in student mark record table. Then we specify our mark column to get the details. Then we use max function to get maximum item, and these two lines we join our exam term and student mark exam record table to get exam term and student exam mark record, because we can't get data direct in student exam mark record. Finally we use where keyword to give one condition. Term name is first term and subject name is mathematics. So I run my query. We got the maximum mark for the mathematics in first term like this. Now we see our next question. What is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? In here also we use previous query, but we change our condition. Term name is second term and subject name is science. Now I run my query. So we got the highest mark in for science subject in second term. Now we see our next question. What is the highest mark obtained by the student who all the subject in the second term? In here also I use max function to get the maximum mark, and we get details in student mark record, and I specify my column mark. Then we join our exam term and student exam mark record table to get details. Finally we give our condition. Term name is second term. Now I run my query. So the highest mark is 98.5. Now we see our next question. Which subject got the highest mark in the second term? First, we got maximum mark in the second term using the mark function. In this subquery, we got mark value and we got student of that. Then here we get the subject name using that ID. So that's how I create my query. Now I run my query. Sinhala language and literature subject is the highest mark got in the second term. Now we see our next question. Find the details of the student who got the highest mark in the second term. In here also we use join query and subquery. First we got maximum mark in the second term. Then we get student ID of that relevant mark. In here we got student first name and last name using that ID. When we run our query, we got the result like this. Now we see our next question. Find the details of the student who got the highest mark in the mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which he is studying. In here also we use previous query, previous query structure. First, we join our student mark and exam table and check our condition to get maximum mark. Then we get that value using the subquery. Next, we get student ID relevant that mark, and finally we get the details of that student. So I run my query. This is the details of that student. This is the answer for our final question. So this is our answer to question 21. Thank you.